Morning. Hi. Good morning. We'll turn right here. That wind's a bit chilly, isn't it? That's the highway there. What highway is that? We go that way. Hi, that's all right. This must be new. Yeah. Because there used to be just an empty field, right? But this thing here, I've never seen this before. Yeah. So we're still going to that the commercial center or something. Whoa! What's this thing? I thought we were gonna cross the road up there. They must have just opened it. Yep. Yeah, so it avoids crossing that, because that would have been a really dangerous intersection to cross on a bike. Oh, thanks. Thank you. I guess it's signposted, so just keep following the RiverRide signs. There's the Punnet. We might stop there for lunch on the way back. still working on it. And that should come out the Hamilton Gardens once it's finished. Hi, how are you?
Oh, you want to get down there?
I don't think it's open yet.
Oh, no,
Yeah. Do you know when it's gonna be finished? When they're gonna get it done?
Sure. I think there's just something to put up in there.
Yeah.
They still need to put their black stuff over the brick.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Almost done, almost.
Okay. I might go in there and just have a look.